Okay. Class in session.
My hair coming out longer.
YouTube, this is my roommate, Michaela. Today we're teaching her how to get some blue hair. All right, we're practicing, so let's get it.
Hey, no. Yes, it is.
Yeah, definitely recording. Definitely recording. Come on, get to it. No, I'm really not though. That's the crazy part. As you guys seen in the beginning, I was teaching my roommate basically how to bleach hair. Here I did a couple strokes and kind of showed her how to start off, and then she's gonna go ahead and do the rest. Reason why I'm doing this video, she doesn't really do hair like that, so I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to go ahead and bleach and color your own bundles, because a lot of people reach out to me and ask me to do it for them, but I mean, I'm trying to save y'all some coins, so if you never did it before, here you go. So you can use the BW powder, but I don't recommend it simply because it kind of just ruins the hair. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. It's very hard on the hair. I will say though, for the amount of times that we bleached the hair, this hair held up really good. Still shiny and, you know, flowy and stuff like that. This hair is from Nadula hair. I can't remember the inches off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure it was 24, 22, and 20, and then 18-inch closure. The best bleach that I've come across that is cheap and that you can get from your local beauty supply, not Sally's, the local beauty supply, the one who got the cheap, okay? It's a L'Oreal Quick Blue, yeah, L'Oreal Quick Blue bleaching powder, and it's blue. They come in like small, medium, and really big size buckets. But basically, I just let her know that she needed to cover the hair completely in the bleach. We kept it in the bundle because the roots are going to be black anyway, so it doesn't matter. But if you plan on bleaching the roots as well, go ahead and take the bundle out and unfold it. And she just did this for each bundle. I didn't show each bundle because it's the same process. But yeah, and to get it through the different sections that you feel like you missed, you can go ahead with a brush, and it's kind of the same thing for the color as well. And we bleached it 3 times because I only had the BW powder, and like I said, it's hard on the hair, so you always want to make sure you have a good bleach, but this is all we had at the moment. In here we rinsed it out and let the hair air dry, and we went in with Adore Indigo Blue. She wanted like a dark blue type of color, and she's going to go ahead and coat the hair just like she did with the bleach, but with the color. If you're trying to go for really any color, as long as you get it up to like a honey blonde like this, the color definitely will show up. Like for reds, oranges, dark blues, greens, stuff like that, it'll definitely show up. But if you're trying to get like a pastel color, like a baby pink, baby blue, yellow, stuff like that, I do recommend that you start off with platinum blonde 613 hair, because the color will not show up. You will be very disappointed. Adore color, Kiss color, Maniac Panic, their darker colors, not darker but not pastel colors, always come out great on honey blonde hair. I've used all of them. Yeah, you guys see me all the time with a new color, and those are the colors I use for the most part. But like I said, you just want to make sure that you coat the whole entire bundle with the color. As you can see here, she's like kind of peeking through the different parts and getting in the middle, because it'll seem like the whole bundle's coated, but then when you open it up, it's going to be blonde pieces all in the middle. And And be sure to try and stretch your color. You don't need too much. The reason why she has gloves on is so once she kind of gets it coated, all you have to do is kind of like massage the color into the hair and it'll stretch to the rest of the bundle. You don't need to use a lot. You don't need to use one bottle for each bundle. Like, you should be able to stretch your color. If not, you need to practice on that, because once again, you can save you some coin. So yeah, that's basically it. Once she did that, we let it sit for about 45 minutes and rinse it out with cool water. That's another thing. Whenever you're coloring hair, especially like multicolors, you want to make sure that you rinse out with cool water. Otherwise, the color will bleed, and there was no point in you even putting it on there. Warm and hot water always like makes the color bleed, so be sure to do that as well. But if you guys enjoy videos like this of me talking through and showing you how I do certain colors or get certain things, comment below and let me know. Next, I'm thinking about doing like a multicolor tutorial, because you guys like when I do those kind of wigs, but I just never actually recorded doing the color. But yeah, just comment below and let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for the last clip to see the dark blue color that we achieved, the color that she wanted. And also, if you're like me and you like bright colors, I'll be coming back to do like a royal blue, like lighter blue color for my girls who love, you know, the bright colors. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.